Welcome! In front of me I have FITBIT Versa 4 and I'm gonna show you how to force restart this watch. To force restart this watch we need to press and hold the side button, keep holding it for about 10 seconds, basically until you see the Fitbit logo on the screen, and once the logo appears on the screen you need to release the button and wait until the watch is done rebooting. So let's press and hold the button, keep holding it until the logo appears on the screen. It takes about 10 seconds. Once you see the logo, release the button and wait. And after a couple of seconds, your watch should boot back into a system, and that's how you force restart this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.